start administrative. Bismillah. Bismillah. Baro learn Somali phonetics. Of Somali Baro series by Hoy Somali. Somali alfabeto. Shibani consonants. Ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Somali alfabeto. Shaqalada gaaban. Short vowels. A, e, I, o, u. Somali alfabeto. Shaqalada dheer. Long vowels. A, e, I, o, u. Somali alphabet. Shaqalada gaaban. Short vowels combined with consonants. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Kha, khe, khi, kho, khu. Da, de, di, do, du. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Da, de, di, do, du. Sa, se, no. A, excusez-moi. A, e, I, o, u. Somali C is A. Yeah? So A, E, I, O, U. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Somali alphabet. Shaqalada dheer. Long vowels combined with consonants again. That one was short. This is long. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Kha, khe, khi, kho, khu. Da, de, di, do, du. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Da, de, di, do, du. A, e, I, o, u. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. So this is a list of words I got from the Grade 1 Somali book, and you can read the translations on your own on the sites, but I'm just gonna focus on the list, and this is just to show you how phonetics that we saw are applied in writing in word list. Kalun, nag, arday, baabuur, guri, bibi, gabadh, geel, awr, shaati, tusbax, mundur, nin, libaax, jalaato, wiil, dukaan, caruur, surwaal, masaajid, bisad, xafiis, ari, maqal, baskiil, calan. The second group of the words. Aqal, sheeko, kurdad, quraan, ilmo, galley, ayeeyo masar, sadaqo dugsi, dameer maroodi, huuri leexo, beer haan. I just want to mention haan for 42 I didn't finish it, but I meant to say wooden elliptical milk container. It's a container used by the nomads to hold milk and meat, dried or preserved meat that's dried and fried. So it's just container. It's made from wooden and it preserves the food and milk, or keeps the milk. Just a container. But anyways, I forgot to put container. Chair, shabag, nacnac, webi, waran, daayeer, kubbad, foodin. So I showed you how phonetics were applied using words. Now I have a paragraph about a boy called Gedi, and I try to translate it to my best. So Gedi is a young man who is on school holiday and went to the nomadic lifestyle of his uncle Awale, inshallah. So this is his routine. Gedi waa arday dhigta fasalka labaad ee dugsiga hoose. Waqtiga dugsiga la xiro, Geedi waxa uu tagaa miyiga. Halkaa waxa ku nool adeerkii Cawaale iyo reerkiisa. Geedi marka uu miyiga tago, hawsha reerka ayuu ka qayb galaa. Waxa uu raacaa ariga. Inta uu ariga la joogo, waxa uu akhristaa buugagga uu dugsiga kala tago. Maalin walba marka ay barqada tahay ayuu ariga kaxeeyaa. Ariga uu raacaa waxa uu isugu jiraa riyo iyo ido, reerkana kama uu fogaado. Marka ay harka tahay ayaa cunto iyo biyo ama caano loo geeyaa. Marka qorraxda dhacdana ariga ayuu soo hooyaa. Marka I translated it. Gede is a student that is studying second grade in their primary school. During school break, he goes to the pastoral land or nomadic lifestyle. There lives his uncle Awale and his family. When Gede goes to the pastoral land, he participates in helping with the family workload. Which is the chores. He shepherds the herd of goats and sheep. I didn't need an S there. While he's attending to them, he reads books that he took with him from school. Every day mid-morning, he leads the herd. The herd consists of goats and sheep. He does not go far from the family setting. When it's noontime, he drinks water or milk brought to him by someone. When the sun sets, I added someone because in the Somali sentence it's assumed someone logia, so I for clarity I had to add someone to it. When the sun sets, he brings the herd home. Note, the word ari means mix of goats and sheep. Goats are called rio and sheep are called ido. For the purpose of simplicity, I used the word herd to mean ari. Okay, some places in Somali they say adi, and other places they say ari. Okay, let's explain some things now because I didn't want to explain so much in the middle of reading those slides because I didn't want to, if there's children trying to use my slides for educational, I just didn't want to go off topic or I just needed them to focus on those. So here, let's do this one. The consonants. Somali, number 1 point, they have consonants. Consonants are separate from the vowels. They're not mixed. So these are some things you can read through. So X, for example, is ha, and C is a, and the others are closer to it. So Somali uses is related to Arabic in terms of letter sound, and we use the alphabetical orders of letters. So because of that, when Somalians adapted the English writing phonetics, I mean like letter form or Latin letters, somehow they had to modify it, and that's where you have to see X is ha now, because we don't need X in Somali, and C becomes A because we don't need C and we need A, and it doesn't exist in English, so somehow they had to make that into that. So Somali letters are adopted from English letters which are Latin based. However, the order of letters are Arabic based, for Somali language has a lot in common with the Arabic letter sounds. Hamza. Hamza is another kind of stoppage of sound, and akon la and, so that stoppage between the vowels is so it's la and go lo gu. And so there are 27 letters altogether, 21 consonants, 5 vowels, and hamza, which is this one. Short vowels and long vowels. So these are short vowels: a, e, I, o, u, like same as a, like an apple, e, like an egg, I, like an igloo, or like an ostrich, u, like in full, and ba, be, bi, bo, bo. Okay, this example. Long vowels. When I say short and long vowels, do not confuse like the one in English. I'm talking about in terms of prolongation of the same sound, not necessarily variation, okay? Inshallah. So this took me a while because I can only record when my kids are asleep, and when they sleep, always somebody gets up looking for me. So I end up, I think this is the third I recorded just to get it right, inshallah. So I'm a bit tired. It's a night for me. So here I have a Somali bird series. This I already posted them on my YouTube channel. And but I'm working on the book form, inshallah. So I'm like a slow but sure kind of with priority in mind because I have a family. I just wanted to say here, so the way I applied, inshallah, just kind of read over and over again to get proficiency, and have somebody you can mute also the video and kind of follow with my arrow or read and listen and listen. Something you do over and over again. But Somali phonetics is you write what you see and you see what you write, or something like that. Like there's no tricks to it, or silent or whatever. We don't have silent letters. So that's the good news. Same as Arabic. Okay, inshallah. So please, Hoy Somali works hard. So please subscribe to me, follow, share Hoy Somali. Inshallah, I'll update you on my upcoming things. You know, I'm balancing it. I'm also doing these videos for my kids because they use them, and it's an extra work that I pre-done, and they just have to repeat it. And I want other kids and other people to take advantage of it. My plan is to produce more work, inshallah, to build on this. So now I did the phonetics, and then we go from there in terms of reading and vocabulary and grammar, hopefully. So inshallah, enjoy. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your patience.